Hello children, myself Sarita Shetty. Today we'll be doing lesson number 8 multimedia. Before starting the lesson children, I would like to give you some extra information about the multimedia. Let us see what is multimedia. Multimedia can be defined as multimedia used to deliver information to users digitally. To understand meaning of multimedia, we'll see the definitions and examples. Graphics, audio, video, images and other form of media. Multimedia is computer information can represent through animation, audio, video, text, graphics and images. Newspaper was first and foremost mass communication medium. It used text, images and graphics. Major source of information for the people. Afterwards, motion pictures, radio and televisions were new medium for 20th century. This entire media changed whole world of mass communication. Mixing of media create multimedia whose components are text, images, graphics, audios and videos. Multimedia derived from multi and media. Now let us see what textbook is saying. Introduction. Multimedia means using multimedia of communication in a computer. Multimedia uses both the audio and video as well as text and animation graphics, which makes learning through computer more interesting and enjoyable. Now let us see what is the requirement of multimedia. Okay, what you need for the multimedia. The devices that is capable for presenting multimedia application is called multimedia system. What it is called as multimedia system. A multimedia system should contain different hardwares. All of you know what is a hardware? The things which you can touch and feel, they are called as a hardware. Now what type of hardwares you want for the multimedia system? You need a sound card, a speaker to get the voice output. Then you also need a color monitor to display the animation and the pictures. You also need microphone and headphones to record the voice. Now whatever PPT presentation I am giving you, it is multimedia, right? Then joysticks to play games on computer. Then you will need a CD, DVD drive to play CDs and DVDs, right? Now let us see fields of multimedia. Okay, where all this multimedia is being used. Let us see now. Multimedia programs are used in different areas for different tasks, such as imparting education. Right now what are we doing? We are imparting education. Through the multimedia, we are sending you the videos, we are sending you the PPT presentation. So what are we doing here? We are imparting education, advertisement, right? Watching movies, then playing and listening to music. Many of you must be having iPods, phones. In phones also you have music, playing games, professional printing. Everything is done on multimedia. There are many multimedia education programs available on CD-ROM, DVD-ROM. Some of the popular multimedia packages available in CD-ROM are, what are the packages? You have Multimedia Science, Atlas, Encyclopedias, Space and Universe, right? Now all these can be also in multimedia. Our days Atlas was only colorful pictures, right? What is globe? Where are the places? Now Atlas is also one of the multimedia package. Components of multimedia. Now what you have exactly in multimedia, how it is combined. Okay, what do you have in the multimedia? Okay, multimedia application constitute of various components such as, okay, What are the components? Let us see. You have text, you have images, you have audio, you have animation, video, right? These are all the components of multimedia. Let us see text. What is text? Why do we use text? Text is the first and foremost form of conveying a message. A simple text message without a picture and a graphic looks very boring to read, right? Now, if I am sending you the PPT presentation without any single picture, you will feel bored. So, what I do, colorless also, if I send only black and white, also, if I send, you children will not look at it, right? So, what I do is I need to insert some of the pictures so that you attract to the PPT presentations. Other medias like images, sound, animations, if combined with the text, can make the presentation and the content more attractive. I can also do like this, children. I can only type the everything and I can send you all. Will it do? No. Without my recording or without explanation, if I send, you will not sit and read the PPT presentation. So what I am doing for you is I am explaining, right? I am giving my voice to it and I am explaining so that you can sit and listen to it. Let us see about the images. Images play an important role in multimedia. Imagine a newspaper without a picture, right? Just now I said a newspaper, a PPT, or a textbook also. If a textbook is only black and white, you will not open. So boring to read news without images. Today we are attracted to read an article due to the pictures surrounded by it. Concepts are easy to understand in a pictorial format through illustration, charts, graphics, and pictures. It becomes very easy when we present it through pictorial format or illustrations or charts and graphics, or we can insert pictures also. Let us see audio. Audio includes, what is audio? Audio includes all types of sounds such as music, spoken voiceover, and sound effects. Sound too plays an important role in multimedia. Imagine watching a movie without any sound. Would you like to watch any movie without any sound? No, you will not understand anything. Today, sound effects are used not only with animations and movies but also to represent the text context also. Text context also are so attractive, right? Which allows interactive with the user. Computers and digital technology are used today to produce special sound effects and music, which is an added feature to any presentation. Okay, now let us see animation. Now all of you know what is animation by now, right? You all see Doraemon, Mowgli, Chin-chan. What is this all? All the cartoons what you all see, right? This is all animated cartoons. They are all animated, not the real ones, right? Animation consists of series of graphical pictures displayed one after the other to simulate movement. Cartoons such as Motu Patlu, Doraemon, Tom and Jerry are the videos refer to sequence of still image representing scenes in motions. Okay, they are the still pictures, but they are all connected to each other. It enhances the multimedia application. It is an excellent way to create powerful and persuasive messages to the user. More persuasive me- message to the user more effectively than content alone. It also helps the user to retain the information. When you see, if I tell you one story without showing any picture, this is what happened, this happened, then this story like this, like this, like this. Would you remember any of those things? No. But then if I show you one of the story on my laptop, if I share with you all, then if I ask questions, it will be remembered quickly, right? So what it is very effective. Videos are very effective. Now let us see using the multimedia software. After installing the software, you can use it anytime you want. To start the software, following the given steps. How to start the multimedia? First, what you have to do, go to the start and click on the start button. Click the newly installed software icon to activate it. Okay, so that is how you can open. Playing games in multimedia. In multimedia, you can play games also which are saved in your hard disk, right? So many of you don't want to do any practice, but you all want to play games. So how do you play games you want to play? So this was all about the multimedia. I hope you all have understood the lesson. Children, I request you all to go through the video, listen to the video, or read the textbook again and again to understand the lesson better. Thank you.